Hi video shooters and scuba shooters, it's Baron here and I just received a new torch from OrcaTorch. This is the D570-GL. Here's a quickie little unboxing for you. Open up the orange box and you'll find the D570-GL dive torch, a wrist strap, 3400 mAh battery charger, USB cable, spare O-rings, and warranty card. If you're a scuba diver who loves to explore the ocean with buddies, or you're a dive instructor and you're bringing students along, grab the D570-GL. It's got a narrow 8-degree 1000 lumens light beam to brighten up the way, and it's real handy for those night dives. But the D570-GL packs a nice surprise. It fires a laser beam that can travel up to 1 kilometer away. That's what the GL stands for. Green Laser! See something in the blue wonderland that you want to share with the rest? Point and laze it! Double press to power on the torch. Next, press and hold for the laser to be activated. The laser can be activated together with the dive torch or on its own. I'll be taking the D570 to my next scuba dive to make more underwater videos for you. Support us by subscribing to our YouTube channel and liking our videos. Let's gear up, go out there and shoot it great!